What is up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the Best Charge 60 and the Best Pack 60 black and white. Now the Best Charge 60 is a 6-par charging case that is also very durable and very portable. Let me open this up and show you what is inside. So right on the front, we have our 2 butterfly locks. Open it up. You can see we have 6 slots for 6 par lights. The top inside of the lid is also padded. It's gonna keep the tops of your light very secure. In each of these 6 different pockets, we include 2 square foam pieces, just so you can make them fit perfectly. In the center, we have our charging cable, which just plugs into the front. You can see through the center of the case, we have the power strip where you would plug in each of the 6 different lights. Let me show you on one of our Best Pack 60s now. Now, a Best Pack 60 is just a Best Charge 60, but it comes preloaded with 6 different Best Par 60 lights. We have 2 different versions, the Best Pack 60 black and the Best Pack 60 white. The only difference is the color of the light. Let me open this up and show you what it looks like. You can see it comes preloaded with 6 Best Par 60 lights. I have 6 different remotes for the Best Par 60s over here. I have the power cables. I have the charging cable for the case itself. Take the charging cable, plug it in over here. I'm going to plug that into the wall. Then I take each of the 6 different power cables, plug one end into the light, and then one end into the center power strip. All I have to do to charge them is turn on that button right there. You can see on the back of the Best Par 60s, all of the charging LED indicators turn on. Now, super important to note, the Best Par 60s have some of the biggest batteries on the market. They're 13,200 milliampere hour batteries. When you are charging them, you need to keep this top lid open just so there's enough ventilation to cool the lights as they are charging. Let's talk about some of the other things on the case itself. The first thing I want to point out is we have these grooves over here, and that is just because the cases are stackable, so you could stack 1 or 2 cases on top of each other. The wheels are lockable, which just makes it super useful when you get set up in your place. We also have 2 carry handles on each side, which makes transporting with another person super easy to do. The case itself is super durable, made from plywood and aluminum, so you know you are getting the best protection. The Best Charge 60 was originally designed around the Best Par 60 lights, but it is not limited to that. You can fit any lights that have the dimensions of 5 inches wide and 9 inches deep. So the Best Charge 60 is the perfect solution for transporting your lights while also charging them efficiently. Whether you're a DJ or you have an entertainment company or you're just looking for a quick and easy way to transport 6 of your par lights, the Best Charge 60 is a perfect solution for that. And on top of that, if you're looking for a carrying charger case that comes preloaded with 6 Best Par 60s, look at our Best Pack 60 black and our Best Pack 60 white. If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. As always, guys, I am Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.